म्हणजे अशा परिस्थितींतल्यान आज राज्य वता. फक्त सरकार आसा म्हणून प्रत्येक जण प्रेशर घालप आनी तांकां आपल्या कडेन हाडपाचो प्रयत्न करप हें चल्लां. हांव परत एकदां सगळ्या सरकारी अधिकाऱ्यांक शिटकावणी दिता की सरकारी अधिकाऱ्यांनी बी नाका आशिल्ल्यो इल्लिगल ऑर्डर्स तांच्यो आयकुच्यो न्ही. ओरल दिल्ल्यो ऑर्डर्स, ओरली सांगिल्लीं कामां तांणी इल्लिगल आसा ती करची न्ही अशी म्हजी सरकारी अधिकाऱ्या कडेन मागणी आहा. कित्याक कितें सांगता तें आयकुचें न्ही, कायद्यान कितें आसा तें करा. म्हणजे म्हाका याद जाता की रिजर्वेशनाच्या वेळार आमकां थोड्यांनी पिशा काडले, कोर्टान गेलो. हायकोर्टाची ऑर्डर पळयतकीर मागीर सगळ्यांच्या लक्षांत आयलें म्हणजे रिजर्वेशना खातीर सुद्दां कोर्टांत वचपाचो प्रसंग आज लोकांचेर आयलो. म्हणजे प्रत्येक गजालीक लागून आतां कोर्टांत वचप अशें जालां. आनी कोर्टांत वचल्यार पयशे पडटा, कोर्टांत वचल्यार तुका आदवोगाद काडपाक जाय, कोर्टांत वचल्यार जें काम हांवें हायकोर्टाचें डिसिजन जातकीर हांवें स्टेटमेंट काडलो की आतां तरी रेक्टिफाय करा आनी लेट अस गो अहेड म्हणून. तेंय ना, सुप्रीम कोर्टांत गेले. म्हणजे अशी परिस्थिती आज ह्या राज्यांत आसा जी हाजे पयलीं अशी केन्ना दिसली ना. आनी म्हणून हांव सगळ्या मडगांवकारां कडेन मागतां की तांणी आमच्या पॅनलाक पूर्णपणे सहकार्य दिवचें आनी पूर्णपणे भोवमत दिवन आमच्या पॅनलाचे कॅन्डिडेट्सांक निवडून हाड.
रायट फ्रॉम असेंब्ली जावं खंयचे इश्यूचेर, सोशल जावं खंयचे इश्यूचेर, वॉट एवर मे बी द डिफरन्सीस, सदां हांव ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी सदां बरोबर रावलें. फाटीं MP इलेक्शन जालें. MP इलेक्शना देखून काँग्रेस कॅन्डिडेट सारकें सपोर्ट केलो, इरिस्पेक्टीव ऑफ वॉट इज द सिट्युएशन. सो आज हे सिट्युएशना पासून इवन इन द असेंब्ली आमी सदां जॉयंट आमगेलें हें जालां कितें, इट्स अ फायट एगेन्स्ट द रुलींग. नाव we have always been doing it. Now the situation demanded that we have a joint for this municipal elections, a joint fight. So I have also decided to, we have also joined together and आमगे बाब दिगंबरांनी बसून सांगलां की करूया म्हणून. So we have said we will join together to fight the municipality election. That's it.
आज हो गोंय विरोधी आनी गोंयकार विरोधी सरकार जर ताका घरा धाडटले जाल्यार सगळ्यांचो एकवोट जाय. हो एक पब्लीक सेंटिमेंट आहा. ह्या पब्लीक सेंटिमेंटाक रिस्पेक्ट करून आमी हे मडगांव सिवीक अलायन्स म्हणून ते गेले खेपे आमी मडगांव सिवीक अलायन्स म्हणून म्हणिल्लें, हो एक यशस्वी प्रयोग हो आमी रिपीट करतात. आनी तिनूय आमदार आमी लोक प्रतिनिधी म्हणून हांगाचे ह्या पॅनलांक सपोर्ट करतात. आतां अशें आसा की सगळ्यांक जाय की एकवट जाय, एकवट जावन हो गोंय विरोधी आनी गोंयकार विरोधी सरकार घरा धाडचो सगळ्यांक अशें दिसता. म्हणटकर आमकां दिसता की हें जें मडगांव सिवीक अलायन्स म्हणून आहा इज अ फर्स्ट सायन ऑफ टीम गोवा विच इज द ओनली फॉर्मुला टू सेव गोवा नाव. यू हॅव टू सेव गोवा नाव. ते फाल्यां जातलें म्हणून अशें ना. तें गोंय जर साल्वार करतले जाल्यार BJPक आसा थंयची उडोवंक जाय. सो वी रिप्रेजेंट द विजडम ऑफ अवर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी टू कम टुगेदर टू सेव गोवा नाव. सो वी बिलीव that this is the only formula to save Goa now is unity, and here it is in the form of Madgaon Civic Alliance. हे आमी लास्ट टायम यशस्वी प्रयोग जालो. BJPक आमी म्युनिसिपालिटी BJPच्या हातान वचूंक दिली ना. सगळ्यो म्युनिसिपालिटी गेल्यो पूण ही गेली ना. आनी म्हाका दिसता लोकांक दिसता की BJPक सगळे जर एक जाले देशान हो फॉर्मुला चलूंक शकता. सगळे एक जाल्यार BJPक चान्स ना. 61% लोक तांचेर अगेन्स्ट आहा. हो फॉर्मुला जर यशस्वी जालो जाल्यार आमी गोंयाक एक दिशा दाखोवंक पावतले अशी म्हाका खात्री आहा.
Alliance was basically a marriage of convenience.
पहिली गजाल
under the guise of defeating BJP, this because we had a very bad experience last time round.
पहिली गजाल
your alliance had collapsed midway.
हे इलेक्शन हे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी डायरेक्टली फायट करना. हो विषय येता आशिल्लो इफ म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन्स वेर हेल्ड ऑन पार्टी सिम्बॉल्स ऑन पार्टी लायन्स. So they are not being fought on party lines, on party symbols. And if we want to defeat BJP, the same experiment which we did in 2015, we said this experiment we can do it again this year.
But your experiment had failed.
Our experiment did not fail.
You had a mandate.
Our experiment did not fail. Our experiment did not fail because of municipal election. Our experiment was that time somehow or other this because of after that assembly elections. But there is another story which I don't have to go into.
So those such type of stories will not be repeated. How this will go?
See, politics is dynamic. जशें सिच्युएशन तुजे मुखार येता तशें तुका फेस करपा जाय. हांव सदांच पास घेवन बसना. पास घेवन बसलो देन आय कॅन नॉट गो एनीवेर. म्हणजे म्हाका पास घेवन बसले जाल्यार खूब कितें आसतलें. सो पॉलिटिक्स डिमांड्स that it has to be dynamic. You have to face. We live in the present. I don't live in the past, nor I live in the future. I live in the present. So it is my responsibility to see that we face the present situation. Today the present situation demands that we should come.
ते स्वतः म्हणटाले हांव गोवा फॉरवर्ड वयता आनी कितें ते थोड्यांगे डावट आहा ते जे मनशांगे डावट आहा ऑन द लायन्स थंय जा म्हणटा कोण गोवा फॉरवर्ड कोण बीजेपी अजून देखून हांव काँग्रेस म्हाका अजून देखून बेल्ट नाका घालपाक अमंग द ज्युनियर्स आय एम द ओनली फेलो इन द पार्टी ऑल द ज्युनियर्स लेफ्ट still I am there. So it is for a cause. See, we are doing something for this municipality. We take every step at a step by step. If situation demands, we don't have it at that point. So it is not that. Now we have taken a step here and we are just, we are doing our best. Now, when we are there, there are certain things which will not happen, which we have to learn from past mistakes. We have to admit mistakes. Why? Because mistakes are, it cannot, you require two hands to clap. You require two hands. The fellow who says that there is a problem with the other hand, he is also having a problem. So we are tackling this. We will try and see how best we can avoid the next mistakes.
What is the feedback you are getting from your field workers, the rank and file of the party, to these so-called alliance?
See, I think that we should talk in the party. We have already once. Now we have already.
No, because
Is it a rally Congress
your Congress workers have filed nomination.
At the party level, I have said that these elections are not fought on the party line nor on the party symbol. I have categorically said right in the beginning that we will try to work out an understanding across the state, not only in Margao. I have been instrumental. I have sat with many people in Mapsa, in Vasco, in Kankona, various places. I have sat with them with the sole intention of bringing them together. आता खंय तरी मातशें हे जावपाक शकता न्ही somewhere.
So they are free to
तुका लागीं आशिल्ल्यात मनशांनी कॅन्डिडेट फायल
म्हाका पळय हांव
आशिष कामतीन केला
आशिष कामत हो म्हाका लागीं ना काँग्रेस वर्कर म्हणून तो केन्ना काँग्रेसीन जॉईन जाला ते तुमी फायंड आउट करा
सध्या
So they are free
प्रेसिडेंट आसात
to
ते
contest.
फातोर्डा ब्लॉक.
They are free to contest.
वॉट एवर.
These Congress workers. So
ते काँग्रेस वर्कर्स म्हणजे कशें आसा एज फार एज पॉलिसी इज कन्सर्न इट वॉज व्हेरी वेल क्लियरली लेड डावन दॅट द लोकल लिडरशीप विल टेक ए डिसिजन. As far as Margao is concerned, we are the local leaders who have got stakes in the municipal council. आता हांवें तुका सांगलें त्या विशयान आतां काणकोण पयर जालें काणकोण आमी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिल्ली 2-3 लिडरांक तांणी बरें केलें तरी आसतना खंय तरी कोण वर्कर उबे रावले दॅट यू कांट हेल्प इट समटायम्स ते आसतलेंच न्ही ते बारीक बट पीपल वील गो बाय एंड लार्ज वीथ अवर हे आसात बरोबर असो मॅसेज वता. सो दॅट इज व्हेरी क्लियर. आय हॅव मूड house to house. He has also moved house to house. Reginald has also gone. So from the feedback of the people only we said that yes, we should do this. वर्कर्सांचे फिडबॅकाचेर आमी केला आतां खंय तरी कोण तरी हर्ट आसपाक शकता न्ही. यू कॅनॉट कॅन यू सॅटिस्फाय ईच एंड एवरी
युअर साइड टू पार्टनर करपाक लागता
न्ही. कॅन यू सॅटिस्फाय ईच एंड एवरीबॉडी एवरीवेअर. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. आतां इवन म्हज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आसतलें कोण जाल्यार कोण फायल करपाक शकता न्ही. सगळ्यांक तूं सगळ्यांक एकोमोडेट करपाक शकना. इज इट पॉसिबल? देर आर वेरियस
अकोमोडेशन जाय पार्टी घेवपा खातीर तुजे कडल्यान प्रयत्न जातले काय म्हणटा.
आय विल टॉक टू द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अवर पार्टी. रिक्वेस्ट.
Vijay Babu, PA Alliance and a smart city with a heart. हे तुमी इश्योर केल्ले आनी तितून जायतीं प्रॉमिसां दिली लायक फॉर एग्जाम्पल काब्रस्तान इश्यू सॅटलायट मार्केट पार्किंग फ्री स्पेसीस मेळपाचें मेनी थिंग्स सो कितलें देखून तुमचे मुखार गेलां आनी हाव दीस प्रॉब्लेम्स डिस्पायट हॅविंग मॅजॉरिटी डिस्पायट हॅविंग फूल टर्म ऑफ 5 years many problems like the parking project many projects are still incomplete or never taken up.
This question
No, no.
is for both also.
One minute.
Not for you also.
No, I agree.
This is
We are not announcing a manifesto or declaring the manifesto. Keep something for the future. One minute. Wait. I got your question. See, both our panels have separate manifestos, which in due course of time we are going to announce. Today we are announcing a Margaon Civic Alliance, which is an alliance of two parties for this 24 seats that we are contesting. Details of the manifesto we'll discuss when we come to the manifesto. No, 1 minute.
Question is not about manifesto.
No, you are talking about promises kept
Yes,
and
of course.
promises not kept.
Yes.
All will feature in the manifesto, how we have not kept, why we have not kept, and how we are going to keep it.
this alliance had promised them.
This alliance is going to now tell you why we could perform, why we could not perform, and who is responsible for not delivering this when we declare our manifesto. Today we are making an appeal through you. The
How
appeal
people-
is not to divide. This is the message. Nothing else.
About how people will
People that we will see. We also know what the people are. By the way, when Gillian is asking that what is the rank and file saying? Without rank and file saying, we don't sit together. Rank and file and the people of Goa want us to sit together. That's why we are sitting
no
together.
manifestos are not fulfilled. How people will
Manifesto, when manifesto will announce, we'll tell you. I am not running away.
That rank and file came into picture because some of even the working president has filed a nomination. That's what Sushant.
Call the working.
But the nomination is not about you.
So there is non-working also.
No, Congress party. You don't answer that.
This is an alliance
It
of two
pertains to the
parties.
Congress.
Of course. He is the legislative party leader of the Congress, Marai. I am the legislative party leader of my party.
लोकांक खबर आहा, लोकांक सगळे लोक हुशार आसा, लोकांक खबर आसा, लोक जाणा कोण कोणाच्या बरोबर आहा, थंय आनी प्रश्न येना. आतां हांवें तुमकां सांगलें की प्रत्येक कडेन कोण तरी खंय तरी दुखवलो आसता आपल्याक मेळना म्हणून. He may try to create problem. That is, but that depends upon the people. I leave it to the people to judge. शब्द घाल नाका. Election, assemblyचे इलेक्शनाची alliance will be taken decision by the party leadership at an appropriate time. सारखे clearly सांगता. This is a Margaon civic alliance between Atoda Forward and Model Margaon. Here there is no symbol of the party.
This alliance has got no backing of your party, the Congress party.
पळय कशें आसा.
Or is it only your
No.
the alliance?
Every level.
No, the way you are trying to explain, it appears you have no backing.
अरे
of the party.
हांव खंयच्या पार्टीचो मनीस. तो खंयच्या
So
पार्टीचो.
then you are trying to differentiate.
No,
That
differentiate म्हणजे
assembly
कशें
separates and this is
आसा. ना
separate.
differentiate म्हणजे कशें आसा. आतां म्हापशा we try to bring everybody together. Whether it is MGP, whether it is NCP, in Vasco we are trying to bring everybody together. That has been effort going on.
Tashinare, you all are not understanding the essence of this press conference. The essence of this press conference is that we are united and we are appealing to the people not to get divided. मतां फोडून दिवं नाकात, एकवटान BJP घरा धाडया. हे आमचे हो मुद्दो तुमचे कडच्यान आमी पास करूंक सोदता. उरिल्ल्यो सगळ्यो इश्यू इलेक्शनाक 23 तारीख आहा, आज कितें 7 तारीख, दीस खूब मदीं आहा. आमी काय खंय धांवून वचना, आमी सदां अवेलेबल आहा. उलोवया मागीर.